Hi friends, welcome to Codeshika. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to add a new menu item to Oscar dashboard navigation. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to this channel Codeshika because your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos. So friends, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Now let's start the tutorial. To add a new menu item to dashboard, basically we need to create a separate app for the new menu item functionalities. So this is the Django project I have created, and I have already did all the settings for Oscar. If you want to learn how to do all the setup for Oscar, you can watch my recent tutorial from above I button. Now I want to add a new menu store manager, and under it I want to add a stores menu item to the dashboard. For the stores menu, I have created this store app under this apps directory, and in views.py file I have created this store list view that will show a list of stores and its locations for all our products. So here I am using store list.html template for this view. So here is that template. So in this template I have extended Oscar dashboard layout.html template because we want to show this template under dashboard. And here we are adding new content using block content, and here I will just show this simple text that is display list of stores here. If you want, you can add new content for showing list of stores for all your products and its locations. And in the app urls.py file, here I have created here URL for the store list view with the name store list. And in the project urls.py file, here I have added store URLs with the path stores /. Now open settings.py file. Oscar comes with a pre-configured dashboard navigation that gives us access to its individual pages. If we have our own dashboard app, that is a store app, that we would like to show up in the dashboard navigation or want to arrange it differently, that is very easy. All we have to do is to overwrite the Oscar dashboard navigation setting in our settings file. So to append a new menu item to the dashboard, we need to add our custom dashboard configuration below the import of the Oscar default settings. So here I will add the configuration. Next I need to import from django.utils.translation import u get text lazy as underscore. So here we are adding new menu item with the label of store manager to the Oscar dashboard navigation settings, and each menu item we need to add using type dictionary like this. And a menu item stores will be displayed under store manager menu item, and in the URL name we need to give the name of the URL for the menu view. That is, here I will give store dash list, and this is the name of the URL for the store list view. This is the store dash list name of the URL. Next we need to add access fn. With this access fn key and these values, if we add to the navigation non-dashboard URL conf, we need to set this access fn parameter to the current node, so that Oscar is able to resolve permissions to the current node, that is stores menu item. So we need to pass current username, URL name, URL arguments, URL keyword arguments, and this will return user is staff or not to check the permissions to access stores menu item. Now I will add icon for this navigation menu with the key icon and with the value icon dash map dash marker. This is the Oscar's Font Awesome icon. Oscar uses Font Awesome for its icons, which makes it very simple to add an icon to our dashboard menu. Now we are done with all the settings for dashboard navigation. Now let's run the server. Py manage.py run server. So this is the Oscar dashboard. Here I have already logged in as user Tom, and here is the new menu item store manager I have added with this map icon. I will click this arrow, and this is the stores menu displayed under store manager for our store app. I will click this. Great, it is rendering our store list template successfully. So friends, in this tutorial you learned how to add a new menu to Oscar dashboard navigation. If you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel CodeShikha to get the new video updates first to you. Now I will meet in the next tutorial with a new topic. Bye bye.